Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to be demonstrating with you how to do a comb over with the mid skin fade. We're primarily going to be focused on a fading process. So I'm going to start by cutting the top and I'm putting a shape in, style it and come back and demonstrate with you how to do a mid skin fade. As you can see guys here, after we put a shape into the haircut, we styled it. Now we're going to move on to next step, which is fading. We'll be using a number 2 fully closed and we're going to create our fade foundation, blend into the block graduation that we did on the sides and back. So it's a number 2 fully closed. Only blend to our block graduation on the side. This is what create our fade foundation. Now as you see guys here, after we created that fade foundation, we blended right to the block graduation on the sides. I'm going to follow that with 00. I'm going to create my baseline. I'm going to make sure the baseline is parallel to our fade foundation. Right, so as you can see guys here, I'm going to remove all of this excess hair. Before we move into any step, we're going to come back and use the foil shaver and make sure we have a very clean canvas to work with. Make sure you stay organized guys. So after we cut in the top, we put in a shape and styling the hair to the style that we're going for. We put on a number 2 to create a fade foundation. Now we're using 00 to create a baseline. We're going to bold out all of this bottom part here. Then we're going to start our fade process. So follow that right the way guys with the foil shaver. Now this step guys is very important. Make sure you don't create any sort of harsh line at this part here. Right, so now as you see guys here, I'm going to use the clipper, the blade fully open at 0.5. I'm going to set in one guideline just about a finger width. Okay guys, now as you see, we have one guideline with the lever fully open. So you know guys, we're using guard skipping technique. So I'm going to put on a number 1 classic guard. Now we're going to be blending right from this point to the number 2. So we're going to take this one open to the number 2 close. Right, so it's one open, going right to the number 2, skipping the 1.5. Alright guys, now I'm going to close number 1 and again we're just following up right just below where we left off with 1 open. So we're blending 1 open, we're blending 1 close to 1 open. Guys, before I continue, make sure the head is always tilted. Otherwise, you cannot fade if your client's standing up like this and he's trying to fade. This is almost impossible. Make sure you ask your client to tilt their hair so then you can see and you have a full control of what you're doing. So we're going to continue using 1 close, 1 close, We're going to continue using one closed blending to one open. Some of the parts, guys, you can see I'm not using a full blade on, using one of the corners, right or left corner, depends which side or direction that you're working in. So the reason why I want to use only the corners at some point, mostly when you're detailing, because at some points we don't really want to take too much of a hair, we just want to blend it all in together. So the corner is absolutely the best option to do so. So we continue using one close, blending it to the one open. Now at this moment, guys, we're going to jump from one close to the lever or the blade fully open, and again we're taking that to one close. So we're blending it to one close, not using the half guard. We're going straight to the blade or the lever fully closed. Now I can adjust it and go halfway, just below where I left off. And again, if it's necessary, make sure you use the corners. And then after that, now we're going to close, fully close. All we have is the baseline we created initially with 00. My clippers at 0 gap, so we should be able to blend out the 00 line. Now, as you see, guys, here, now we're going to move on to our next step, would going to be a shape up. After we're doing a shape up, we can see more what need to be touched up, and we come back and do more touch up. Really. Now, guys, as you see, after I did a shape up, now we can come back and start detailing our fade. But one of my favorite ways to detail is the scissors, as you know, guys. So I use scissors and I make sure to blend out any dark areas or dark spots by cutting directly into these areas. So I'm going to continue using scissors for refining the fade and make sure it's extra clean. After that, I'm gonna repeat the same exactly process on the other side using a number 2 classic guard closed to blend right to the block graduation I did on the sides and back, followed by a 00 baseline, a baseline always parallel to our fade foundation. After that, we'll use a foil shaver, make sure we have a clean surface to work on. Also make sure, guys, don't create any sort of harsh lines when you're using a foil shaver. After that, we'll use a number 1 classic guard to blend between a baseline, which is 00, and a number 2, which is our fade foundation. We do not use 1.5, we do not use the half, we only use a number 1 classic guard skipping technique. So as you can see, guys, here, this is our final result for today's tutorial. Comb over with a mid-skin fade. We're primarily focused on a fading process. As you can see, guys, here we use the number 2 classic guard to create our fade foundation. Baseline with 00, we boarded out all of the bottom part using a foil shaver. Then we used a classic number 1 to blend between the 00 and number 2, skipping the 1/2 guard and a 0.5 guard. That was a guard skipping technique. Now, guys, if you're serious about improving and developing new skills and growing in your career, make sure you join our online community on School. The link is in the description below. Our prices is $100 per month. You get access to over 100 hours of our online courses plus 10 brand new chapters added up monthly. That's all just for $100 per month. Our price would increase since we reach 100 members. Today, as I'm speaking, we're already 11 spots filled, so 89 spots to go. Make sure you grab your spots before the prices increase. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial.